So this is the method for replacing the current contract that you have on your computer or your report writing software for LIA inspections. Basically, what you got to do first is download. So you got to go to the email that has it. So this is going to be my email. So I'm just kind of going through the motions. Obviously, you wouldn't be going through what I just did. If you open your email, you just go to your email in which you received the report. This let's see, this is the one. Here is our new contract. This one's going to be a little different. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to download the contract that we sent you. I'm going to click over here. I'm going to say show in folder. Now yours is different. You're going to go to the downloads folder in your C drive. You can also tell it to download it somewhere else, but basically, so I go to the downloads folder. It's actually going to be this one because this is the one I did first. It copied it and gave it a different name. You got to make sure you don't have the name changed. So from here, it's as simple as this. I'm going to right click. When you right click, you then say cut. I then need to go to my documents folder. So this is your, when you're in your file system, you got to go to your documents. In your documents is a 3D Inspection System 11 folder right here. That's where you want to put it. So you double click, which opens it. Then you go outside of any file, meaning put your arrow in a blank spot. See how it's blank there? You could even go here, it's blank, and it doesn't line up. You could probably do it right here too, but let's just go a place. See how it's blue here? Well, go here, it's not blue. Right click, paste. Do you want to replace it? Replace it. That's it. Now, then you can close this. Realize Report Writer should not be open. So 3D inspection systems should not be open. Now it's possible it'll work if you do have it open, but if we want to make this fail safe, so with that, have 3D closed. Then let's go to 3D. And activate it later. I realize this is a long video, but I mean, hey, once you get it, if you get the gist of it already, turn the video off. I'm going to go to Report Writer by clicking here. I'm going to create a new report. I'm going to call it second contract test. We'll do house and we'll open. I'm going to come over here and click the contract to create it. So it's still creating. Now I haven't read back and forth to see what's what, so I don't know what the changes were. So I'm going to save. I'm going to print just to make sure it prints. I always have mine saved to the desktop, so it's going to save it on my desktop here, so I'll see it readily. When I set a computer up, I generally tell your computer to do that. So if I've set your computer up, it's going to tell you to save to desktop. I'm going to half screen it. Not opening yet. There we go. I'm going to go all the way down to where the contract is. There's my first test. I'm going to open up my second test. No, my first one. This is my second test. So I have my first one. Hopefully it'll let me. There we go. It will. So there's one of them. There's another. I'm going to go down to the bottom. So this is the original one. The one I'm moving now has the original contract. This one has the new contract. Again, there are differences. You can see how when this is converted, and Mark Phillips converted this for me. What a guy. Let's give him credit for that. So he made it look better too. That's beautiful. So anyway, so there were changes made to it. There you go. That is it.